In the next 5 minutes, I'll walk you through a high-level demo of Venn, the all-in-one business banking platform used by over 4,000 Canadian businesses. From startups to construction companies to e-commerce stores, you can open up an account in 5 minutes without ever visiting a branch. We'll cover everything Venn offers out of the box, from global accounts to vendor payments and corporate cards. So let's get into it. When you open up a Venn account, we set you up with 4 multi-currency bank accounts: CAD, USD, Euros, and GBP. Each one of them is held at a federally regulated financial institution in the country of that currency, so your customers can pay you like a local vendor for faster payments, no international fees, delays, or routing confusion. Let me show you what that looks like. Your CAD account works exactly like the business account you have today with one of the big 5 banks. You get an account number, a transit number, institution number, and it's in your name. We also provide a unique email-enabled e-transfer address. Best part, there's no minimum balance required. You also get a fully local USD account, unlike typical Canadian USD accounts, because it's held in New York and comes with a genuine ACH routing number and account number. This lets you get paid for free, just like a local US vendor via ACH. It eliminates payment confusion with your customers and helps you avoid the usual $17.50 USD inbound wire fee that the Canadian banks charge. Best of all, there's no need to set up a US entity or deal with the costly markups from PayPal or Stripe when connecting your accounts. When it comes to adding money to your account, there's a few ways to make this happen. These are active operational accounts, so you can accept payments from customers, you can connect it to payment processors, you can send yourself an e-transfer, or if you want the 2 accounts working hand in hand, you can link your Big 5 bank and set up pre-authorized debits to load money into your account free of charge. Super easy. If you need to convert currency, there's 2 ways to convert. Right here, between accounts, where we charge a markup on the interbank exchange rate of 0.25%. For reference, the Big 5 banks generally charge a markup of 2 to 3%. So the savings is very, very significant, and this is generally one of the biggest reasons Canadian businesses sign up for Venn. The other place to convert is at the time of actually sending a payment, which we'll jump into right now. Here, you can send money to vendors, contractors, or employees in 36 different currencies to 180 different countries. All payments to North America, Europe, and the UK are totally free, where anywhere else globally costs you only $6 CAD. Huge savings compared to the typical $25 to $50 wire fees. Everything's digital, no phone calls, no branch visits. Let's say you're paying a vendor in CAD. You'll see the available payment methods when you click into that vendor: e-transfer, wire, or EFT, whatever works best for you. If I want to pay a US vendor, all I have to do is search them in my vendor list, click into them, hit send transfer, select a one-time or a scheduled payment, add an invoice, select the amount, and if I'm sending $10,000, there's no fee. The only time you pay a fee on a payment to a US vendor is if you have to convert currency, in which case you can fund the transfer in Canadian dollars, but make sure the money leaves Venn in USD. This payment would arrive with your vendor same day or next business day, where they'll get an email confirmation and you're good to go. For larger teams, you can add approval workflows based on role, individual, or payment amount. For example, any payment made by Jack Hutton over $5,000 needs to be approved both by an administrator and an owner of the account. All I have to do is update the rule, and you'll see one of the prior transfers was requested, approved, and now we're waiting on owner approval for a complete audit trail. Venn also syncs with your accounting software to pull in all unpaid bills with all details attached, so you can pay in bulk and auto-reconcile. We make it easy to issue physical or virtual corporate cards. Each card has their own custom spending limits, merchant restrictions, and auto-receipt capture. They're accepted everywhere globally and pay out 1% cashback on all purchases, from the first transaction to the last. Best part? Unlike standard credit cards that charge 3% on all foreign spending, Venn cards have no foreign exchange fees. Let me show you how easy it is. Let's show an example here where we'll create a virtual card for one of our team members who looks after purchasing of our CRM, which we know charges $12.50 USD per month. It's that easy. Takes about 10 seconds, cards created instantly, and the details are here for you to use with your vendor. You can lock or edit at any time, and you can issue unlimited cards with no extra fees. Under the Settings tab, you'll see options for receipt management, making sure that you remind users to upload copies of their receipts via email and push SMS notifications. Venn also supports 5 different user roles: owners, admin, AP clerks, accountants, and employees, each with different sets of permissions for no shared logins, no security risks, and everyone getting access to what they need. We sync directly with QuickBooks Online and Xero. All transactions and invoices are categorized and pushed over automatically, helping you maintain clean books easily with a smooth two-way sync. You can invoice customers directly through Venn. These invoices can be branded, they can be recurring, you can set up different customers, and best part, they can pay you however they choose, whether that be ACH, EFT, or via credit card processing, with the option to pass that fee back to your customer. With Venn, you get fully regulated local multi-currency accounts, Canada's #1 lowest FX fees, same-day vendor payments, powerful automations, corporate cards, accounting integrations, everything right out of the box. Join over 4,000 Canadian businesses already saving thousands a year in bank fees compared to the Big Five. If you want to go deeper on any feature, check out our other videos on YouTube or book a personalized demo with the team. Thanks for watching.